I can't tell you how exciting it is to watch this Riverview walkway being put in. Living here at Riverview, we are getting so excited about the fact that we can walk out of our back door here and we can enjoy walking along all the way across, and we can go across the bridge to the park, and it'll go also to the right all the way around, and then also it will follow that path all the way, if you want to go all the way down across the road bridge to the other parks as well. Today they're using the big crane. You can't see all of it because of the building right there, but you can see those big cement logs basically that they're putting down there. Big cement like beams. This has been really neat to watch this all unfold. And of course, as the weather's getting nicer, it's coming together really quickly once they got all the underground piping and all that done. All this top stuff is coming along really quickly, but it's been really neat to watch them get this all done. And of course, I know they're gonna make the grounds just as pretty as they did over there, of course, across the water. How beautiful that park is. I know they're gonna give us some nice grass and things over here. They had to take out our gazebo, which you can't see because of my window over to the right. So they'll probably give us some sort of sitting area or something there, I imagine. And then this building here is a wedding hall or a venue hall. And I bet they're really gonna enjoy having that behind them. That'll really increase their parties and the value of that building, I'm sure. To have that beautiful, can you imagine taking your wedding photos on that when it's done with the river as your background? That would be really awesome. You can walk, they'll be able to cleanly walk over to the bridge for wedding photos if they want, or all the way over to the park, and there's flowered trees over there to take pictures under if they wanted to. And of course the bridge, and at night the bridge lights up so beautifully. It's gorgeous at night. And of course the park over there is beautiful. And if you've never been over there to Central Park, in the summer, it shoots water up for the kids. It has a water pad. And of course it has nice artwork there if you've never been there, to walk around and see the art sculptures. And there's two bridges. There's one there to cross. And then there's a big one there, of course. Very beautiful park. But yeah, this is the first time we've had a big old crane out here working. It'll be a nice easy walk for us, and there's a lot of people that live in this building that are in wheelchairs, electric wheelchairs and all, that can zoom right along. Be very nice. Be a blessing. Mishawaka is really stepping up their game. Well, I'll give you more videos as we get further along.